Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create or design a chart. Maybe you're in the analytics field, and if you want to analyze data, you need a chart. Whether you need a bar chart or a pie chart, it's all available in Canva. Creating graphs or charts in Canva is really easy, and in just a few minutes, you can create any kind of chart you want for any business. To get started, make sure you have created your account in Canva, and after signing up, go to your custom dimensions and then to the elements and search for Chart. Here, you'll find free options. Just click on it. Now, if you want to customize it with your own analytics report, then go. Here's the option for customizing and modifying your own values like this. You can also change the text. Just like this, you can change whatever you want. If you want to add something else, for example, this is a bar chart, but if you want a pie chart, then here is the option. You got it right. This is a pie chart. So let's go with the pie chart. So just click on the pie chart, and in the same way, you can customize anything you want. If you want to add text, numbers, percentages, or titles like this, you can add subtitles. And you can also add a link and change the data to whatever you like according to your own information. That's a simple process for creating a bar chart or pie chart. Just a few minutes and you're done. You can create whatever kind of chart you like, be it a categorical bar chart, stacked bar chart, line chart, pie chart, stacked area chart, any kind of chart in Canva. So yeah, that was a simple tutorial on how you can create charts for your business or any report. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll bring more informative and helpful videos for you in the future, and I will see you in the next video.